In a big, beautiful jungle, animals once roamed freely, playing and laughing under the golden sun. But their happiness didn't last long. A greedy lion had declared himself king and made a terrible rule. Every day, one animal must come to me as my meal. The jungle was filled with fear, and no one knew how to stop him. But one day, a tiny rabbit with a big brain decided enough was enough. I may be small, but I can be smarter than that big, scary lion. And with that, he set off on a daring adventure to trick the mighty beast. What happened next? Let's find out. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a cruel and powerful lion. He was the king of the jungle, but instead of hunting for his food, he ordered all the animals to send one animal to him every day as his meal. The animals lived in fear and obeyed his orders. One day, it was the turn of a small, clever rabbit. He did not want to become the lion's meal, so he thought of a plan. He walked very slowly towards the lion's cave. When the impatient lion saw him, he let out a thunderous roar, shaking the trees. "You are late. Do you want me to eat you right now?" The rabbit, pretending to be scared, folded his tiny paws and said, "Oh, mighty king, I was coming fast, but another lion stopped me. He said he is the real king of the jungle and wanted to eat me instead." The lion's eyes blazed with anger. "What? Another lion? In my jungle? Take me to him now." The rabbit nodded and led the furious lion deep into the jungle. Finally, they arrived at an old deep well. The rabbit pointed inside and whispered, "There he is. Look how strong he looks." The lion peered into the well and gasped. Inside the water, he saw another lion staring back at him. The foolish lion roared with all his might, "How dare you challenge me?" But as soon as he roared, the other lion roared back. Now completely furious, the lion leaped into the well to attack his enemy. Splash! But there was no other lion, just deep cold water. The cruel lion struggled, but it was too late. He drowned. The jungle was finally free. All the animals danced and cheered for the little rabbit who had saved them with his cleverness. So, my dear friends, the moral of the story is intelligence is more powerful than strength. If you like this story, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.